Today we have a 2013 Honda Accord. We'll be replacing the blower motor resistor. So let's get to it. All right guys, so as you may have seen earlier, we just replaced the blower motor here. So the first thing we gotta do is obviously remove this cover here. It would be in this position. These little ends right here would go into here, and pretty much you just bring the tabs down and pull it out the way. So anytime you replace the blower motor, it's wise to replace the resistor as well, which would be located right behind this vent here. So we're gonna have to remove this vent out the way, and you kind of can see it right there, that white connector, that's where the resistor would be. So with the Phillip head, we're gonna remove this little Phillip here, as well as a number 10 tucked away right up there, and that should free this up to reveal that resistor there. So let's get those out and get this vent out the way here. So there's actually gonna be one more Phillip head screw directly above here, right up, let's see if I can get a good view of it. I mean, I kind of can't, it's right here. I'm so sorry, it's dark, let me get my light. Kind of see it right there, where it's like a half moon shape, you can see a screw. So it looks like we might have to drop the glove box, but in reality, I'm just gonna stick my screwdriver in there, well, my ratcheting one. So with the Phillip head attachment, and just get this out the way. But yeah, that's pretty much how we're gonna do it. And I know there's a connector up there holding this little clip, but we should probably still be able to get that out the way. So let's get that screw up there. Okay, y'all. So to give you a better view where the screw is located, as you see where my tool is, it is right there to the left of it. This is pretty much how I'm removing it. So no need, I mean, it'd be easy to remove all this, but since I have this tool here, I'm just gonna do it just like that. Okay, also those two screws and that bolt up top remove. I also had to come over here and get that clip off that wire harness. That was kind of more of a hassle than that screw over there, but now we can just kind of work it around, get it out of here. Oh, there goes the screw. I might not even be able to take it out. I can just go and squeeze in there. Either, I believe it's number 8 or a Phillip head. Remove that resistor, unplug it there. So let's get that out and swap it out. Okay guys, so pretty much I just swung this vent to the side here. There's another clip holding the harness, and I don't really want to mess with it. So you can swing it over to the side, and it's actually number 7, not number 8. Bottom right there, you see my my extension with the socket, and up top. So let's remove that out. All right guys, so old resistor removed, new one here. We're gonna install it the same way with the clip up top for the connector here, and pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and put this in. Okay y'all, so the resistor is bolted back in, plugged up. So now I'm just gonna slide this vent in, making sure it lines up right here. So I just kind of got to work it a little bit. Oop, got it stuck over there, so I got to come back out this way. But pretty much just like so. Put my 2 screws, one here up top, one there, and then that bolt up top there, as well as that clip that wire harness back in there. And that's pretty much it. Throw the cover on and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.